everyone! For today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Pampered Chef Quick Stir Pitcher. This product is a favorite of many of my customers because it features an internal paddle that you can use to mix up powdered drinks, frozen concentrated drinks, sangria, and even margaritas. Be sure to check the description box to see the link to the e-cookbook for the Quick Stir Pitcher that includes a bunch of recipes. For today's demonstration, we're going to be making strawberry lemonade from scratch using sliced strawberries, sugar, water, and lemons. Let's go ahead and zoom you in closer so you can see it all come together. And there you have it, the Pampered Chef Quick Stir Pitcher. Order yours today.